Dear students, let us learn the first chapter of history, sources. In this chapter, you learn sources required to the study of history, types of sources of history, importance of the archaeological sources, importance of the inscriptions, and importance of oral sources in history. What is history? History is a systematic study of the past. Then, how is history written? History is written on the basis of sources. Hence, there is no source, no history is the stance of history. Then, what's the role of a historian? Historian is like an advocate. What does the advocate do? He presents his argument on the basis of followed evidences and sources. Similarly, historians collect the sources, subject them to critical examination, analysis, and then write the history. Whenever direct sources are not available, they need to make assumptions based on available sources. Hence, often an event is analyzed from different perspectives by different historians. Then, what is a source? Human beings had created many facilities to lead their life since ancient times. If the things used by human beings in the past have remained, they are called as sources by the historians. Hence, the agricultural tools used by earlier people, forts, coins, inscriptions, arms, temples, and other religious buildings are considered as the sources to write history. Similarly, the written documents and literary works are the main sources of history. The materials needed to write history are the primary sources. Then, what are the types of sources? There are two types of sources: literary sources and archaeological sources. Literary sources are further divided into written literature and oral literature. In written literature, there are two types: native literature and foreign literature. In oral literature, there are folk stories, folk songs, ballads, legends, and others. In archaeological sources, there are inscriptions, coins, monuments, and other ruins. So, both literary sources and archaeological sources are necessary to write history. Let us know more about these sources in the next videos. Thank you.